Hey you all, today I'm going to teach you how to practice the Bird Pranayama. This is a pranayama that helps in increasing your lung capacity. In this, we're going to inhale for certain counts, hold our breath for certain counts, exhale for certain counts and hold again. Anyone who's menstruating should avoid the holding of breath. Rest of you can start, and if you experience any discomfort during your practice, like don't try to force yourself to hold the breath, continue. Go as per what your body allows, as per its limits. Okay, open your arms to the sides and let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold, 2. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold, 2 and continue. Inhale for 6 counts. Hold your breath for 4 counts. Exhale for 8 counts. And hold your breath for 2 counts. Close your eyes and continue on your own. Final round. And once you're done, relax and slowly open your eyes with a few blinks. Good job.